Good morning, guys. Welcome to week 3 of online learning, and I hope you guys are enjoying this new schedule. Now I have you for 2 hours, so 120 minutes of math. Hooray! All right, I'm gonna go over your agenda for today as quick as possible. I'm gonna try to make this entire video less than 10 minutes, and I know that's hard for me because I love to be super detailed and tell you every single little thing, but I'm gonna try to stop myself today. All right, guys, I hope you guys are doing well, by the way. So today, the only thing you need is your Chromebook. Make sure you make a copy of the document under work time. I'm gonna explain what that looks like a little bit more. You are watching this video. Make sure you are watching this video before you even start your work. I'm usually gonna have announcements, go over certain problems that I noticed that a lot of students are getting incorrect, or it's just really important for you guys to start with this video. After that, go ahead and move on to your warm-up. So 10 minutes of warm-up. And then your independent work, it is 80 minutes, but hold up, give me a second, let me explain it. I'm chopping it off with a 10-minute break in between to make sure that you guys are taking those brain breaks and you guys are taking care of yourselves. And then after that, you guys are doing your exit ticket, and I do request 2 things from your exit ticket. So from your warm-up all the way to your exit ticket, you can find that all under one document. It is right below your directions on Canvas. It's highlighted in bright yellow. Just click that document and that's all you're gonna need. In like 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to navigate that document, and I hope that's really helpful. So again, your independent work, it's structured into different parts. Part 1, where you're exploring the equation of a circle a little bit more. And then the second part is IXL time, so it's just more practice. I know I did mention this earlier in the video, but we are starting a whole new concept, equation of circles. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to be digging into that, but today most of it's going to be all on you and exploring what that looks like and what that means. What does the equation of circle mean once we graph it and play around with it a little bit more. Okay, I believe we are ready to move on. The next part of this, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to navigate the document. I hope it's helpful. I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna try this new thing where I record myself and you guys can also see my screen. I hope it's helpful. First things first, make sure that you are already open to your document for today. So it's right below on Canvas. You see it right away. It should say this right here on the top. Okay, once you open that, go ahead and make a copy of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with all of you. The way I'm gonna know that it's your copy, you're gonna go ahead and put your first initial, in case you guys didn't know already. My name is Esmeralda, so it's E, and then your last name, whatever it is, mine's Magaña. Okay, and then you're gonna press OK, and this is the document that you're going to go ahead and turn in as your exit ticket at the end of all of this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press cancel just because I already have a copy of it. I don't want to make another one, but you should put OK. All right, I'm gonna walk you through this in hopes that it's easy for all of you to navigate. My objective is to make sure that this online learning is as easy as possible. If something is complex or you're just like, Miss, there's too much in this document, can you please narrow it down? Let me know, and I would love to do that. I love finding new systems for you guys because I remember taking like online classes. It was just too much for me. Okay, so I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. All right, let's go through it. So the things or the tabs that you should have open at all times is going to be this document, your Canvas dashboard, or you should be under the geometry one in order for you guys to turn it in later on. And then once you start and you're ready to start your warm-up, it says let's play with GeoGebra. You're going to go ahead and open GeoGebra, so that should be the other tab on your screen. Okay, so this first one for your warm-up, what you are supposed to do, it says go to this website and then answer the following questions. The first question, as we are working with the equation of the circles, I'm just letting you guys explore it a little bit more. I want you guys to find the pattern, right? So I want you guys to do the heavy lifting and figure out, okay, we have these equation of a circle. What does that mean? How does that look like? And why is it different when it has this number, but why doesn't it On this other equation, it doesn't have it, so how is that different and how are they the same, okay? So that's what we're doing today, a lot of exploring. So you're gonna go ahead and enter this, this equation into GeoGebra. Once you're here, make sure you put start graphing, okay? If you're deciding to copy and paste, which is completely fine, make sure that your squares are actually squares. If not, it will not work. So you need to raise them to the second power, not y2, but it must be raised to the second power. Oops, there you go. So now here we see that we have this circle. Hey, I need you guys to start looking at it and analyzing, right? But then if we go back to our document, it does say take a screenshot, graph, and insert below. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of it. Right there, perfect. I'm going to go back to my document and you're going to load it into your document. So insert image, upload from computer. I have it on my desktop and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right there. So now if this looks a little bit too big or I don't know, I love having my documents all like very organized. Make sure you can go ahead and play with it, make it smaller, make it bigger, whichever one works with you, okay? So you're gonna do the same thing with 2. And then it does ask you, I do have discussion questions, okay? So this one says, okay, write at least 2 complete sentences about what you notice about these 2 graphs. Make sure you're using the words radius, circle, center, origin, or length in your sentences. And then you're gonna go ahead and graph this one. This one looks a little bit different, and I'm gonna let you guys figure out, like, why is it different? What does that mean, okay? And then you have discussion. All right, keep moving on. The second part of this part 2 in a way is you're doing the same thing. Make sure you're working by column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then answering the discussion. And you're doing the same thing on the right side, answer the discussion. Okay, these problems are there with intention, right? Make sure you're trying to figure out what are the patterns that you are noticing. So again, today we're exploring what patterns do you notice, what does the equation of the circle really tell us? And then once you're done with that, go ahead and take your brain break. Go ahead and stretch, go eat something, go and bug one of your siblings. I'm just kidding, don't do that. I also put this fun little teaser if you guys want to take a stab at it. Let me know what you guys think. Once you're done, but make sure it's only 10 minutes, no longer, only 10 minutes. You're gonna come back. You're gonna do part 2, which is the next 40 minutes of this class time. And you're gonna do your IXL. It's exactly the same thing. So now you should have this tab open as well. And then you're gonna continue IXL. Smart score of 80. If you go above 80, then that's extra credit. Y'all know how we roll. Okay, there you go. And this just says write the equation of the circle in standard form. And in standard form, is just the way we've been working with it. X squared plus y squared equals 9. That's considered standard form. This is also considered standard form, except there's something a little bit different that I'm not going to tell you. I want you guys to figure it out. And then lastly but not least, on your exit ticket, you have 2 things. One, you have to take this link, make sure you click on it, take that exit ticket. And then secondly, I'm actually going to add this as we are here because I'm noticing that we don't have a spot for it. Once you're done with your once you are done with your IXL, you're gonna go ahead and insert the screenshot right here. Okay, great. Thank you for being patient with me. So again, exit ticket, it's this link right here. And then lastly, make sure you submit this document, this copy of your document with all the work done onto Canvas. Okay, so that's the only thing you're doing today. I am available from 10 to 12, and then office hours from 3 to 4. Please reach out. Don't hesitate. G-chat me, email me, text me, you have my number, whatever it is, reach me. I'm going to be on it right away, so I should be replying to you within seconds, okay? Thank you so much for watching this. I hope this helps. If not, you guys already know how to contact me. right, thank you, thank you, thank you. Enjoy it, have fun with it, explore, try to find patterns. You guys got this.